Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, air conditioning, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.